The best part about working in Ancestry is the people that I work with. And my specific team, we get to work with everybody from legal to all the technical people. And consistently, they're passionate people, very skilled at their jobs, excellent to work with. We're not building widgets. We're building a product that helps people connect to themselves and to their family. I've been here 13 years now and love what I do.
We're the combination of a big data company with something that is the most popular hobby on the internet. It's not just moving bits around, but it's something that actually means something to people.
I've said many, many times before, Ancestry is a company where you cannot wear Ancestry swag out somewhere without somebody stopping you and feeling compelled to tell you about their story and how they use their product and what an impact it's had on their lives.
The people that thrive at Ancestry are the ones that are super just motivated by themselves. They're proactive, they're kind people, they like to collaborate.
It's always exciting when you see somebody stretch and grow their own potential. Ancestry is really good about giving people opportunities to learn new skills if they're willing to take the initiative.